In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a perfectly optimized video using Kapwing. Whether you're posting on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform, this process will ensure that your content looks professional and polished, no matter where you choose to share it. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to kapwing.com. This is a fantastic online video editing tool that's both powerful and user-friendly. Once you're there, you'll notice a Create New button. Go ahead and click on that to start a new project. Now, one of the most important things you'll need to consider is the platform you're targeting, because each platform has its own preferred aspect ratio for videos. Under Canvas or Output Size, you'll find a few preset options. If you're creating content for YouTube, select the 16:9 ratio. This is the standard widescreen format used for most videos, offering the best viewing experience for YouTube's interface. If TikTok or Reels are more your style, go for 9:16. This vertical format fills up the screen perfectly on mobile devices, ideal for capturing attention quickly. And for those who are crafting something for the Instagram feed, you'll want to select the 1:1 square option. It's a classic choice for Instagram that ensures your video appears full-sized in the feed without any awkward cropping. With your canvas size set, it's time to bring your content to life. Import your video by clicking on the Add Your Video option. You can either drag and drop your file into Kapwing or upload directly from your device. The interface is intuitive, so it'll guide you smoothly through this process. Once your video is up, you'll need to adjust it to fit perfectly within the new frame size you've chosen. This might involve resizing or dragging your video around a bit to ensure nothing important gets cut off and that your composition feels balanced and intentional. It can be helpful to keep your focal points in the center, particularly for Instagram and TikTok, as it accounts for any cropping that might occur when viewers scroll through their feeds. Take a moment to review your changes and check that everything aligns with your vision. You might want to play back your video to ensure that nothing looks out of place or awkward. When you're satisfied and feel that your video is ready for the world to see, the final step is to click Export Project. This will process your video and prepare it for download and sharing. After it's done exporting, you can download your freshly polished video straight to your device, ready for uploading. And there you have it. With Kapwing, you've seamlessly created a video tailored perfectly for your platform of choice, all in a few easy steps. Now, you're ready to engage your audience with high-quality content that stands out. Happy editing!